So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you run this, we're going to type in gp update space / force and click on enter. Now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once you run this, we're going to expand HT class's root and then we're going to look for .exe. Scroll down just a little bit. So we find .exe, you want to click on it. And then where it says default, you want to right click on it and then click on modify. You want to make sure that under value data, it says exe file, the exact same spelling in lowercase saying exe file, and then click on OK. Now once you do that, you want to click on the .exe folder, then click on E on your keyboard. And now we're going to scroll down until we find exe file. Here it is, you want to click on exe file, and then you want to open up default, and you want to change the value data to 1, and click on OK. Now you want to expand exe file, and then you want to expand shell, and then click on open. You want to double click on default, and then change the value data to 1, and click on OK. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search, and type in check for updates, click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates, and do all the updates your computer may have. Now you want to head over to search again, and type in CMD, then you want to run as administrator, click on yes. And now you want to type in sfc space / scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Now once you complete all these steps, you want to restore your computer and then the problem should be fixed.